So in less than 2 minutes, learn how to add extension to braid to have that smooth, flawless, flat look. Are you ready? Okay, so you want to braid to your desired length. Pick extension. Ensure that it's smaller than the hair you are making. Now you want to place the other side underneath the braid. That is where the secret lies. So you place it underneath and you continue braiding like this. We're going to do it again, but we will see how not to do it. Now, this is how not to do it. Braid the hair, then place it like this. If you do this, you'll be having, that speed bump when you are driving. Exactly. That is what will happen. And your braid will come out rough. So let's do it the right way. You want to braid the hair to your desired length. Place the small parts like this. Hide the other side like somebody that is sneaking to the neighborhood. Hide it under. And continue to braid. Now you have that smooth, flat, flawless look. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. By the way, I'm using expression extension. You're welcome. Bye.